There we go. Okay, what's going on, you guys? I'm here with Alexis. She's got the other viewpoint right there. And Michael. And today we're gonna be cooking an egg on the sidewalk. So where are we gonna do this?
Little manhole right there. Where? Or a little thing right there.
Oh, we could do it on the sewer one. Yeah, just do it on that. Alright, you guys, this is where we're gonna be cooking. Inside our bag is some canola oil. We got some, or this is olive oil actually, some seasoning. We got our eggs right here. We have some tin foil. Do you want to lay the tin foil down on the sewer pipe? That's the manhole that we're gonna cook on. We got a little fork to mix it up. I think we're gonna make a normal egg though, because I can't do a scrambled one. It's not gonna work. The temperature right now is, it says 108 degrees right here. I don't know if you can see it. Can you zoom in on this? You guys gotta believe me, I'll post a screenshot on the screen right here. So Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
He tested something about like cooking an egg, and he said that the minimum temperature to cook an egg was 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 55 degrees Celsius to cook it like just anywhere, I guess, on a griddle or something. And the National Weather Service in Sacramento said that if the temperature outside is about 100 degrees, then the asphalt should be around, oh snap, it says up to 167 degrees. Ooh. And an egg can fry at 144. That's what the National Weather Service says, but Bill Nye says 130. Nice. So hopefully we can do 130. All right, oh that's bright, that's so bright. I need glasses for this. Okay, so here's our, oh shoot. No, we need a, here, let me go grab some tape real quick. I'll be right back. I love Arizona. I hope this works. No cars, we're on a side street, sort of.
It'd be unfortunate if someone drives.
I know, don't run over my head. Okay, there's our platform. We got it all set up. Egg number one. So if this doesn't work, we're gonna try putting it on the manhole by itself without the tin foil, because I want to try to eat this actually. So we're gonna season it too. Get the spray so it doesn't stick.
You can see right here where it says sewer.
Yeah, zoom in on the sewer thing. You can almost read it. There you go. And crack the egg. Now this egg needs to cook. Oh, can you set a timer, Michael? We'll figure out how long it takes.
It already looks a little...
What?
It already looks a little white.
That's good. Oh shit, I put the fork on the road. So I guess we just wait for a little bit. Look, it's sliding. Don't touch the street.
Oh, that's bright.
Yeah, it looks like there might be a little bit of weight. I'm not sure if that's it from the thing though. I know what we can do. We can take it, cut it in half right here, and then put the other one on this.
That's true. You're just gonna rip it? Or fold it?
Uh-oh. Oh shit, we got a car. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Sorry about that. Yeah. All right, this is how we make an egg in Arizona, you guys. This one doesn't look like it's getting any better though. But they don't look like they're cooking. What the heck? This one's still clear. I don't know, I feel like this one might heat up faster just because it's on the manhole.
Oh shoot, okay, it's been 3 minutes. Time goes slow when it's
It's
hot
really
out.
I know, for real, it took forever. And they're acting, they have to like, they've seen it before. They're like, oh, can we drive over it? They didn't ask about it or anything. They're like, oh, this is normal. Just Arizona thing. Oh wait, I'm not gonna eat that one, but whatever.
Dude, I know. Put a lot on that one.
Yeah, let's put a lot of salt. Maybe, yeah, salt helps it cook quicker. So that one has a ton of salt on it. Add some garlic to that one. Guys, this is what I have to deal with every day. Hello? See, random numbers always call me. This is so annoying. They just hung up. Yeah, we're trying. We're trying to make a YouTube video on this. This manhole, I had faith in this manhole. I thought
Should we try and scramble one?
Yeah.
That
Which
might
one?
help it.
The
Probably
top
the
one.
man.
I mean, yeah, manhole.
Ew.
Dang. I'm surprised that it's not doing anything. These streets, I'm gonna put my hand. Oh my god, that's hot. I can't keep.
Let me try.
Watch, how long do you
Wait,
think
wait,
you can keep it?
What
I'm not
about like
gonna
right there? Like just to the right
This
of
part?
the egg. You see it turning a little bit right.
Yeah,
right.
it's right there. It is hot. Yep, that's hot. Okay, I'm gonna see how long I can keep my hand on. 1, 2, 3. That's too hot. It hurts. That's how hot it is out here, you guys. 7 seconds. No one. Michael can't do it. I can't do it. Should we just leave it out here for a little bit?
Yeah,
we
and,
can
like,
come back.
Come back.
Bye, egg. We'll be back. Egg. Oh my goodness, it kind of cooked. Look. No. This is a little close up. This one looks like it wanted to cook. Like I can see the white from the egg, but that might be foam. Dang it. I'm not eating that. Look, you can poke it. Like it feels, it's solid. It's not. It's the top layer cooked. Like, look, we made an egg. Hold up. There it is. Sunny side up.
Yeah.
I thought that we would be able to cook an egg in Arizona. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, that was a tutorial or DIY tutorial, whatever you want to call it, on how to cook an egg. We didn't really do that well. But it dried. You can leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think, or if there's any other way that we can cook this egg on like a rock maybe, or something else that's like super hot. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe, hit the bell for post notifications, leave a like, and yeah, comment, let me know what you thought about this video. If you want me to try to cook something else, or I don't know, just do something weird like that. This is my last vlog in Arizona, so our video in Arizona. I'm gonna be traveling a lot the next couple weeks, and I'm gonna be posting it, so stay tuned for more content, you guys. Asia trip and trip to Wyoming. Shout out to Alexis for holding my camera. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.